How to delete apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to uninstall apps you no longer need and free up space on your device. First, go to your home screen and find the app you want to delete. After that, long press on the app icon until a menu appears. From there, tap on Uninstall from the options. At this point, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Tap OK to proceed with the uninstallation. In the next step, wait for the app to finish uninstalling. It only takes a second. Following this, if you can't find the app on your home screen, swipe up to open your app drawer and look for it there. Once done, long press on it and tap Uninstall the same way. From here, if the app doesn't give you an uninstall option, it may be a system app. In that case, long press the icon, tap App Info, and tap Disable to hide it from your device instead. At this stage, you can also uninstall multiple apps at once by opening the Play Store, tapping on your profile icon at the top right, and searching for the app you want to remove. After this, tap on the app from the search results and tap Uninstall from its Play Store page. Finally, once the uninstallation is complete, the app will be fully removed from your device, and the storage it was using will be freed up automatically. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete apps on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.